Welcome to this quick and updated guide on how to enable vibration for chat and spaces notifications in Gmail. If you've noticed that your phone isn't vibrating when new messages arrive in Gmail chats or spaces, don't worry, today I'll show you exactly how to fix that in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your settings. This is where you'll find all your app preferences and notification controls. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows every app installed on your device, including Gmail. Now, tap on Gmail from the list. This will open Gmail's app info page where you can customize permissions, notifications, and more. Once you're inside, tap on Notifications. Here's where you can manage how Gmail sends you alerts for emails, chats, and spaces. Now, look for notification categories and tap on it. These categories allow you to control different types of notifications separately so you can choose exactly how each one behaves. Under the list of categories, find the option labeled Chat and Spaces, then tap on it. This is the section specifically for your in-app messaging notifications. Inside the Chat and Spaces settings, you'll see an option for Vibrate. Simply toggle Vibrate on to make sure your phone buzzes every time you get a new message. And that's it. You've successfully enabled vibration for your Gmail chat and Spaces notifications. From now on, whenever someone messages you through Gmail chat or your workspaces, your phone will alert you instantly with a vibration even if the sound is off. It's a small change, but it can make sure you never miss important updates again. If you found this tutorial helpful, take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this one. Thanks for watching.